When did Mother Nature adhere that her children's shoulders aren't broad enough to carry the burden of their natural hair? They dread how it locks. For every strand is a curse, an algorithm of mistakes. It puffs and withstands the elements. It doesn't understand the metric of the air. Nor does it. Nor does it. Nor does it. Nor does it. Nor does it comprehend the semantics of how it blows. My people are wind. We teach our young to decipher the code for walking on clouds. We never hesitate. When we speak, our tongues click. Control, Alt, and delete sentiments before we enter the center of a hurricane. Let it bask in the glory of our mane. Meanwhile, a Libra scale fails to balance the pH on the acidic litmus paper we taste on our saliva when we fight about what is always going to be here. That's the thing about racism. Its syntax does nothing but fuel an inferiority complex. Not this time. Our hair is the galaxy, an Afrocomb, a comet, trail blazing upwards, sparking static, trigger happy stars, leprechauns, whales and clovers. They all wish upon us. We are Trojan horses, we conform to the night. We move in L's at dawn, we transform on chessboards and we contort tonight. But something in our sisters died humming. Birds that wish to grow to be eagles and beyond sprout wings on their spines, shed their scales and grow halos. We are stars that shine different. Nova. We don't like to be seen, so we hover, wearing cow skin. But this time we couldn't hide. Their hands are too small to grasp the uncertainty of puberty, yet a situation renders them ready for incarceration. My people are water, formless, drizzling downwards, uncontained. We won't be tamed. Once so often the landscape auto-rotates and it precipitates vapor. Of course, they don't like our course. Hey, like we don't belong here. Even gravity gets confused when he sees the roots of our mountains watered with knowledge and rage. When my people throw tantrums, nobody is willing to catch them. My people are fire.
Ooh yeah, she's a lonely Lord. Ooh yeah, she's a lonely Lord. Because we've been walking through the fire, burning with desire, and hoping we can bear it, hoping we can take it away. But the road seems so long, and the battle seems lost. You can feel the loneliness, big crazy world.
My people are fire. We've already kindled our auras. There's no need to light or match them. We are asteroids. When we break, we flare. That's how spirits are forged. Why our exoskeleton looks scorched. We are burning inside. My people are earth. Our bodies are dungeons and dragons live here. Our hearts are volcanic rocks. Lava lives here. Those that think of us as small fry, they come here to die. You can't cleanse our cleanse. Our names are an omen too potent for their tonsils, and attempting tends to tension their cords and give them hiccups. I swear, the thunder that is coming to strike us is still doing push-ups. But we are rebels, cobras that don't subscribe to the rhythm of a flute. No matter how melodic, we don't sway. Our hair is filthy, but you don't say.
Because there's stars, memories and pain is all that remains. But I won't be a victim, no, no, won't be in prison, no. I'll cut loose of all the chains that finally unfolds. I'll cut loose of all the chains that finally unfolds. Oh, yes, it's a lonely road.
God's magnum opus, they died fighting too.